Alright, so this is the completed garage floor plan. Now we're going to make a foundation plan for this. So we're going to come back up to our layer properties manager, and we're going to create a brand new layer, and we're going to call it foundation. And then we're going to double click and make sure that it's highlighted. Now I want to show you something. If I start clicking, okay, that's not going to go. So let's nodes. Alright, so that was, as I draw on layers, I'm drawing on separate drawings layered over the floor plan. So if I click off my notes, you can see that it disappears. If I click off electrical, you can see that it disappears. Now, my dimensions I have on the floor plan layer. I'm going to stop the tape and see if I can correct that real quick. So, something happened. Why did our... There we are. Okay, so I've corrected this, and if I click, I put my dimensions on my dimension layer. So if I turn off the dimension, I can make them go away. So let's turn everything on. Electrical, nodes. We're going to our foundation, make sure it's highlighted. So we're going to draw this as a monolithic slab. I know that doesn't mean much, but a monolithic slab is a type of foundation. It's a concrete slab, and it's a single pour foundation. In other words, they'll come in, and at the site they want to build the garage, they'll dig their footings, going around the edge. The footing is a thickened trench. It's a trench where they'll lay rebar, tie steel in the trench, and pour concrete, but they'll pour the whole slab as well. So just take that for what it's worth for now, but we're going to draw this as a monolithic slab. So what I want to do, I'm going to change the color. I'm going to change it to red so I can see what I'm doing as far as my line work. My footing, my foundation will follow the footprint of the floor plan. So I'm drawing around the perimeter, and so it's going to look like one big rectangle. Now I'm going to turn everything off now but the foundation. And so we have this rectangle. I want to offset this 1 foot to the inside. I want to change these inside lines to our dashed line. Dashed line, another name for a dashed line is a hidden line. Excuse me, sorry about that. And I want to trim, so I'm going to do a TR, double enter is the way I like to set for trim. And I hover over the overlapping dashed lines because we don't need it to do that. We need it to look like this. And so right here on the foundation drawing, I'm going to draw dimensions 20 feet by 30 feet. And I'm going to go ahead and add a note. You're good. I'm going to add a note right here, and we're going to say concrete, CONC notes. hyphen. Use 4-inch 3000 PSI concrete with 6x6 number 10 welded wire mesh. Let's go caps. We need to go cap lock. WWM welded wire mesh over, take the cap locks off now, over 6-inch minimum clean compacted sand fill. No, over 6-inch minimum. No, let's go over, I'm sorry, I messed up. Over 6 mil, that's millimeter, polyethylene, that's a vapor barrier. It's like a heavy plastic sheet. 6 mil polyethylene over 6-inch minimum clean compacted sand fill. Now we're going to put a name to this drawing. We're going to call it foundation plan. We're going to do cap lock, FOUNDATION, foundation plan. Now we're going to highlight it, right click on it. We're going to change this properties. Where are we at? Where's the properties? Oh, here we are. Text height. Text height. Where are we at? Thickness. Highlight. Properties. Text height. 1 foot 4 inches. Now we're going to take it, center it a little bit. Alright, there's our foundation plan. Monolithic slab foundation plan.